Therapy animals are specially trained to provide comfort, support, and affection to people in various settings such as hospitals, nursing homes, schools, and disaster areas. Here are some key points about therapy animals. Types of therapy animals. 1. Dogs. The most common therapy animals, known for their friendly and calming nature. 2. Cats. Often used for their soothing presence and ability to provide comfort. 3. Horses. Used in equine-assisted therapy, which can help with physical, emotional, and mental health issues. 4. Small animals, rabbits, guinea pigs, and birds can also be therapy animals, especially in settings where larger animals might not be practical. Benefits of therapy animals. 1. Emotional support. They help reduce anxiety, depression, and stress. 2. Social interaction. They encourage socialization and improve communication skills. 3. Physical health. Interaction with therapy animals can lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health. 4. Cognitive benefits. They can help improve focus, attention, and memory. How they work. Therapy animals visit various facilities and interact with people, providing comfort and companionship. They are usually part of structured programs led by professionals, such as therapists or counselors. Training and certification. Therapy animals undergo specific training to ensure they are well-behaved, calm, and responsive to their handlers. Organizations like Pet Partners and Therapy Dogs International provide certification for therapy animals.